Most people assume that in a rear-end accident, the vehicle which struck the other vehicle is to blame. In most instances, that is true, but not always. It is usually the case that the person who struck the other vehicle is cited for following too closely. Most people think that's the end of the analysis, but it's not. The same driver who was cited for following too closely may later deny that they're responsible for the collision in a civil case. In those instances, that driver would argue that they are not responsible because the other driver changed lanes and came to a sudden stop, or perhaps stopped for no reason at all. So while it seems it's clear liability whenever someone is rear-ended, that's not always the case, and you should never assume that just because you were rear-ended, you're automatically going to win a civil case.